Welcome to my channel, guys. It's Nella Viva, and today I'm going to be showing you how I edit my thumbnails. So first off, I use this website called photojet.com. You can Google search this site. It's amazing. It has all these different social media website templates that you can use, and I use this YouTube thumbnail one because it's already formatted by 1280 720, I think. It's already formatted for you. So what I do is add a photo, and I've already created this this photo basically here that has like a before of me and an after. I created this on Facetune, but I had a feeling that it's not going to fit across the screen, so I took the original photos as well to see if it works. So what I'm going to go ahead and show you is what I mean. So I'm taking that photo and trying to stretch it all the way across this white square, and as you can see, it's not going to fit. So I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to actually add the original photos and stretch them out to fit about half of this white or rectangle, I guess you want to call it rectangle. Now this picture on the right is a picture that I took of my makeup done. I did use Facetune a little bit because I believe in showing how the makeup truly looks as opposed to looking like a whole different damn person. So it is doctored up a little bit, I will admit that, but not to the extreme. If you do want a video on that, comment down below. I'll show you how I Facetune my pictures. Now I do want to add some, flashiness to the thumbnail. I'm going to take the ColourPop Avenue lipstick and pop that on there. So I Google search and then I hit tools, color, and then transparent. This will show all of the PNG files, which means it has like a clear background. This checkerboard thing you see around it is a clear background. So all that you will see is literally the item. So basically the lipstick is all that we would see once we actually plaster on that thumbnail, and not like that ugly white background that you get with regular JPEGs or JPG files. Okay, so make sure you do that. Sometimes a lot of times too, you might not find a transparent image of what you want. So I am going to show you as well what you could do in case that happens. But I am going to go ahead and save this file and save it image as, and when you see the format is portable network graphics image, that means it's a PNG, which has that transparent background. Sometimes you can find this in just regular searching on images, but this is the easiest way to filter it, is by doing the tools and then transparent. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you now if you can't find a picture so with a transparent background. So I was trying to find too like a lipstick color that looked close to Avenue. Some of them just looked like it really wasn't that like burgundy reddish color that it truly is. It was looking kind of pink, so I was trying to go and find something that was close to this. I didn't really like this image, so I found this one here, and this is the one that I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can like remove the white background. Alright, so I also wanted to add in the natural hair gel that I use in this video. I wanted to add the bottle on the thumbnail, and so I'm doing this again, trying to find like a transparent image. So tools and then color and then transparent again is what you're going to search to get those transparent backgrounds. And so I end up going with, I believe, this picture. So this is the image that I'm going to use. So we're going to save, right click, save the image, and then you can title it. And I like to place it on my desktop because this is like the easiest place to import directly, into the, whatever you're going to use to put it on. So this is the website that I use, burner.bonanza. This is a removal background website. So this is the thing. You have to kind of like Google search, because a lot of them want, you know, charge, and I'm all about free. Okay, free 99. If I can get it free, that's what I want. Okay, so I had to search this. I had to switch it up a couple of times because a lot of them, you know, start charging and things. So you might want to just, search basically for a removal background, you know, website. But this particular website, I like it for the most part. It does have its like times because what it does is it tries to remove the background for you. But a lot of times it just removes like the actual product, like a lot of the, you know, the actual product. So what you want to do is press touch up and press this, you know, the little checkerboard over there. That will show you basically like how it looks. So that's how it would be looking if I were to save it. So I take this green circle, which is that little plus sign up there that you see, and this you draw on the product, and then this is what will go ahead and like start to put the product back, because the green means that you want it. And then when you are done there, you hit the red button to basically like get rid of stuff that you don't want. So it will go ahead and start doing that. Now, when you find with this, like it won't get really precise. So if you look up there to the top left, it's on basic tools. When you want to get more precise, because this, you know, does not allow you to be as precise, you want to go ahead and click on pixel tools. So click on pixel tools, and then now it allows you to be a little more precise. And you can change the size. They have 3 options. You can change it to the little dot like this and get, you know, precise that way as well. One thing, you can also zoom in. They allow you to press the off to the right there, the little magnifying glasses to zoom in, so you can really, you know, see what you're doing. So I do like this site for the most part. Now it still is very hard because you have to do this with, you know, like your trackpad if you have a MacBook. It's kind of hard sometimes, but it is really good if you don't have like Photoshop and everything like that to try to get like, you know, the perfect, you know, clear non-background image. Okay, so I'm now going to go ahead and hop back over here to this PhotoJet, and I'm going to go ahead and add in those images. So we're taking the lip gloss, lipstick, and the natural hair gel. So what you want to do is press the image, and this will go ahead and pop it on there. Do not drag it on there, okay, because it will end up replacing the whole background image. So don't do that. Just actually press it and it'll pop on there. You can also, like you see here, you can play around with it. You can change, like, you know, make it diagonal, turn it upside down. You need to flip the image. You can make it smaller, you know, or bigger. So it does give you a couple different options, which is really cool as well. So I'm playing around now and seeing like kind of where I want to place this on here. I do want to give a tip as well. When you are doing your thumbnails, be mindful. I like to normally take my images directly from my video. So while I'm recording, I like to actually I'll take a minute to do a stiff pose, like, you know, like I'm taking a picture, so that when I'm editing, I'll just go ahead and screenshot an image, and then I'll make that my background. So that's what I do typically. These images I took, you know, way after this fact. Like one's for, both of them actually are were for Instagram. So I just felt like, you know, these were perfect pictures to make the thumbnail for this particular video. So that's why I end up using these. But you can also add text. So off to the left, you'll see a button that says text. You can choose whatever one you find, you know, most attractive. And they give you options to change this. So you can change the color. And these are the color options, or you can hit that little button off to the right of that, and it will show you like a circle of, like, you know, custom colors that you can, you know, choose. But I don't like using that. I just like to, you know, use whatever little colors they already have preset here. And you can, you know, pull up the blur. I mean, they really give you a lot of different options, I would say, for this. So that is really awesome. And the ones with those off to the left, the options, the ones with the crowns means that that's paid. So you will have to like pay for those. But all the ones without, you don't have to. All right, so moving on, we're going to go ahead and get some clear lip gloss. The e.l.f. clear lip gloss, that's what I used on my lips to make it super glossy. So I'm doing the same thing here. We're going over to the Background Burner Bonanza website, and again, it didn't really do that good of a job. So I edited it up myself, and we're going to press it to add it on. And kind of be mindful too of like what you're pressing, because you will like grab the wrong thing and just mess up everything. So be mindful of that. But this is where I decided to place everything, and just playing with it to see, you know, like what I like. All right, and so the very last thing that I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna go off to the left to clip art. I'm gonna press outline shape, and I'm gonna grab this square, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the border of this image, this thumbnail, because I like putting borders around my thumbnails. I just feel like it makes it stand out a little bit more. So I put this on and stretch it out, then I go to effect and I actually give it a color. So I like to do the color of, like, you know, the theme of whatever's in the image. So I'm taking like this burgundy color, and then I take the border width and I decrease it so that, you know, it looks good, like it's not just this big old mess around the image. All right, so that is all that I do, guys, to edit my beauty YouTube thumbnails. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.